Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Infoline. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 2 presentation part May-June 2024. Now come on the presentation part. Here is the presentation part. Task 5 is the presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the study.rtf. First we open a presentation, PowerPoint. Open a blank presentation, new slide, slides from outline. Go in your work area. Here is our work area. Click enter. Here is study.rtf. Click enter. Insert. Cut this page. All slide must display the title and bulleted list. Here is in the presentation, all slide must display title and bulleted list. Now come on step 19, use a master slide to display only the following features. A thick black 3 to 4 point wide horizontal line across the full width of the slide. Position this line above the slide title about 3 centimeter from the top. Make sure the line does not overlap any slide data. First we click on view, go to slide master and remove the footer area. Remove this and remove this also. Then we adjust this. After this we adjust this. Then we draw a horizontal line from the gap with the gap of from the top up to 3 centimeter. Click on insert, go to shape. Here is line. Here is the 3 centimeter gap. Click on shift and draw the line from the air. With the help of shift we draw a straight line, shade shape outline, theme color black, and width up to 3 point. Above the line enter the text organic crop farming in a 32 point black font aligned to the top right of the slide. Make sure the text does not wrap or overlap the line. Click on insert. Here is text box. Made a text box in right side. Enter here. Font size up to 32. Do in right aligned. Automated slide number on the top left. Now we click on insert text box. Automated text box made on the top left. Then we click on insert. Here is slide number. Name your name, center number and candidate number. Here is not clearly specified the correct space, correct position. Now we made a text box in the bottom left for the name. Now we enter our name. Then we enter our candidate number. Then we after we can our sorry then we have a center number, and after this we enter our candidate number. Make sure that master slide items appear in the same position on every slide. No items overloop on the slide. First we close the master slide, and we are clearly visible title and candidate detail and pay slide number also. Now come on step 20. Use the data in the file area.csv to create a vertical bar chart. This must compare to size of organic farmland by region of only the for only the 2013 and 2023 display the label. Now open a here is area.csv file, click enter, select a region and 2013 ranking and 2023 ranking also. Click insert, do click on vertical bar chart, the region on the category axis, the value on the value axis, a legend showing the year. Click on legends, right click, select the data, series 1, edit, add a year 2013, and series 2, edit, add a year 2013. Give OK, then give OK. Now come on step 21, label the chart with chart title regional distribution of organic farmland. This is the title of the chart. Enter the title here. Value axis title is million hectares. Now we enter a value axis title, a value hectare, enter here, sorry, million hectares. Now come on step 22, display only the data value above each bar. Format all the data labels to display one decimal place. So we select this and show the data labels, and then we select this 2033 ranking. We also apply the data labels. Here is the more option also. Click on numbers, numbers, one decimal place. Select this, apply as well as on this. More option, numbers, decimal up to one place. Now come on step 23, format the value axis scale to display minimum value 0, maximum value 42 and increment of 7. Open a file, value axis, format axis, maximum up to 42 and measure up minimum up to 0 and measure up to 7. Then place the chart to the left of the bullets on the slide with the title Global Statistics. Open a presentation, Global Statistics, adjust this, is in left side, chart must be paste here and adjust this, do this, sorry, this title, million actors, here we do a region, then we adjust this. Now come on step for 24, please make sure that on words are split, all data and labels are fully visible. The chart and its content do not overloop any slide item. Now come on step 25, add the following text as presenter speaker. Note the slide with the title Global Statistics. India has the most organic farmers in the world. Now we open a presentation. Here is a note option, notes option. Enter here. Print only this slide as presenter's notes. Now come on step 26. Save the presentation. Print all slide in portrait orientation with 6 slide to the page. Save this presentation. Click on File, Go to print and full page slide up to six slides horizontal, and we enter a examination rule. In the header and footer we enter our name, our candidate detail. First we enter our name, then center number, then candidate number. Apply to all. Then after print it.